Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Today I'm in the kitchen and I will be preparing chicken pasta. Now for the chicken pasta, I have already gone ahead and cut my chicken breast into smaller pieces and I washed it with some vinegar. Now I have my seasoning, ground seasoning that I'm going to be using. Guys, I won't be using a lot of seasoning when I am preparing my pasta. So I'm just going to be using a small amount. Some onion, a little bit of hot pepper, some scallion, and some thyme. Now I'll be adding a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, some Old Bay seasoning as well, a little bit of black pepper too, and some salt, guys. I don't add browning when I am preparing chicken pasta. So what I'm going to do now is to allow the chicken to marinate for up to 30 minutes before cooking. Here I have some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to be using. So now that the oil has been heated, I will be adding some garlic and some hot pepper for extra flavoring. I'll be now adding the chicken to the pot. So guys, after about 7 minutes, I am checking on the chicken. And I'm just gonna turn them over so that both sides can be evenly cooked. It's coming on very nicely. All right, so I'm gonna allow this to continue cooking for some more time. I will be now putting on some water to boil for the pasta. Now that the water has been boiled, I'm going to be adding the pasta. So I'm going to stir and then I'm going to leave the pasta to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And it looks done now, guys. Yes, it's coming on very nicely and it looks done. So guys, I like when my chicken is very soft and juicy when I'm preparing the pasta, chicken pasta. These are the ingredients that I will be using to make the cheese sauce for the pasta. I'll be using some milk, butter, some cheese, and a little bit of black pepper. So guys, the first thing that I'll be using is some milk, and I'll be heating it. And I'm going to be using about a cup and a half of milk. So I'm going to allow this to be heated for a while. If you don't have full cream milk, guys, you can go ahead and use heavy cream. So now that the milk has been heated, I'm going to go ahead and add the other ingredients. Now, after adding all the ingredients to the sauce, I'm stirring to ensure that everything is dissolved. And I'm going to continue to stir to allow the sauce to thicken. Look at the consistency, guys. Very thick and creamy. I'm going to be cutting the chicken into smaller pieces. My hands are already clean, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut them. So guys, the pasta has finished cooked. So I already drained off the water, and I'm going to be adding the other things. Now I'll be adding the chicken pieces to the pasta. So look at it, guys. I love my pasta with a lot of chicken. So I'm going to stir. And then I'm going to be adding my cheese sauce that I've already made. Look at it, guys. It's looking delicious. Wow, I can't wait to get into it. I'm just adding a little bit more cheese, guys. Wow, it's looking delicious, guys. Smelling great too. So now the chicken pasta is ready. If you have reached this far into watching my video and have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notification so that whenever time I upload a video, you will be notified. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up too. That will help the channel a lot. And comment, guys. Comment your thoughts on this video. Thank you so much for watching.